Start with your dumbbells on your knees and go ahead and lie back and go to the starting position, palms facing each other. From here, as you inhale, open your arms, keeping a slight bend in your elbows until you feel a stretch in your chest muscles. Exhale as you bring your dumbbells close over your chest again. Repeat with good form for the programmed reps. This is a dumbbell bench chest fly. I've got my dumbbells, I've got my bench. Let's see what a fly looks like. So the trick during the dumbbell fly is to make sure that your pectoral muscle's doing the work and you're keeping your elbows at a slight bend. Not perfectly straight, but not super bent either. Katie's doing an awesome job with that. And then if you want to get a little extra pectoral activation, you can rotate those dumbbells in just like that. That'll make your chest work a little bit harder and deepen the movement for you. Great job, Katie.